Welcome back. We have seen 4 models already in geometric progression using nth term formula. Tn is equals to a into r power n minus 1. This is the 5th model, and the question is, in GP the third term is 8 times 6th term, fourth term is 4 times 6th term. Find the common ratio of GP. So this is the question which is given. So let's start writing the solution. First things first, we need to decode the question. We will write T3 is equals to 8 times. Time stands for multiplication. Okay. When I say times, it is going to be multiplication. That's why 5 times 5 5s are like that. We will learn tables, right? 8 times, which means 8 into T6. One more relationship is given. T4 is equals to 4 times 6th term. T4 is equals to 4 times 6th term being again T6. Okay. So let's start writing first what is T3. T3 can be written as a into r power 3 minus 1. So a into r power 2. So T3 is how much? AR2. What is T4? A into r power 3. I am writing straight. You can understand that. And what is T6? That's common for both. So T6 is how much? A into r power 5. This is the data we want for using to solve the question. Remember, r value is nothing but T4 by T3, because successor by predecessor, correct? So you can take the consecutive numbers, or I can say in the sequence, say for instance 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 8 and so on is the sequence, 16. Then fourth term by third term is usually the ratio, or the second term by first term, third by second. That's how we take the r value, isn't it? So luckily we have T4 and T3 here. So I am going to write this r value as T4 by T3. Okay. So let me write T4. T4 is how much? A r power 3 by a r power 2 is equals to, isn't it, the relationship here given is AR square is equals to 8 times AR power 5, and here AR cube is equals to 4 times AR power 5. Can I write like this? So when you are writing this format, let us also understand that in place of T4 and T3 I am placing them, as well as I am writing their equivalents. How are they written? 8 into 4 into, I'm really sorry for that, because T4 is what we have to take, right? So T4 is this, T3 is this. So T4 is 4 into AR power 5 by 8 into AR power 5. See, I'll remove your confusion. I think you might get a small confusion here. Please understand that this is T3 and this is T4. You want T4 by T3. T4 value is how much? 4 AR power 3, right? When you wrote here, you wrote AR power 3. What is it equivalent to? 4 into AR power 5. That's what I wrote. And what is T3? AR square. I wrote AR square. And it is equivalent to how much? 8 into AR power 5. Now if you observe carefully, both are AR power 5, I can remove it. So I can write this equivalence, R is equals to, can I write 4 by 8? Here I am not cancelling anything. Remember this part. I am equating this to these terms because that relationship has been given to us, and the R value is 1 by 2. Straight answer. No need to do any kind of calculation, just the answer. How are you going to get this idea in the examination, ma'am? You will get, because once you write T4 and T3, it should strike in your brain that R is nothing but T4 by T3. Replace T4 and T3. AR3, AR square. Now replace what is AR cube and AR square. It is 4 into AR power 5, and this is 8 into AR power 5. Cancel out what is common or the same part, and then you can get 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are, that's going to be r is equals to 1 by 2. That's very small problem, you can solve like this easily. Okay, right.